Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I just received in the mail my Influenster box for this month, so I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. So if you want to see what I got in my Influenster box, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so this is my Influenster box. I just got it in the mail, and if you're not familiar, Influenster is a influencer website. They have an app, and you can apply to be one of their influencers, and if they like you, they'll send you packages like these to review and try pretty much every month. So I have made other videos about my Vox boxes, and I will link them above so you can check those out. So this box is the Goopglow box. Now I received this complimentary from Influenster, and we're gonna see what we got in the box. Okay, so we open it up. So far I'm loving the packaging. It looks very like summertime. So it always comes with a little card, and they tell you on the back what the products are and how they would like you to review it, meaning like what hashtags to use and where to post. Sometimes they'll have you post on Instagram. Sometimes they'll have you post on Twitter. Sometimes they'll do both, liking and following the brands that they send you on Facebook and stuff like that. So this one says, let's see, 3 bestsellers for glowing skin from the inside out. That's cute. Okay, so the first product is the Goopglow Morning Skin Superpower. Where is that? It's a power shot of 6 potent antioxidants, vitamin C and E, and nutrients including CoQ10 to support healthy glowing skin. Drink as part of a healthy morning skin ritual. Tastes deliciously citrusy. I'm assuming that's what this is. So this is what the box looks like. Let's see. Serving size is 1 packet, 10 calories, 3 grams of carbs. Let's see, 500 milligrams of vitamin C. There's vitamin E. There's all kinds of stuff in here. And as you can see, I'm opening this for the first time. I literally just got this in the mail. If I can open it. Okay. Oh, there's lots of packets in here. So here's the packets. Oh, how fun. I love like dietary supplements and things. So morning skin super powder. So I guess you just add this to water. Let's see. Mix 1 packet daily in 8 fluid ounces of water. Room temperature or as directed by your healthcare provider. Stir well or shake. Add ice if desired. Drinking with a meal or snack that contains healthy fats may enhance bioavailability. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this came with 5 packets of the mix for your water. And again, this is called Goopglow Morning Skin Super Powder. I'm super excited to try this. I have been eating like really good lately. I lost about 8 pounds in 2 weeks. I'm super excited. So I am really excited to try this and see how it tastes. The next product is the Goopglow Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. And that's what this box is. Super cute packaging. Excuse me. Directions: massage onto clean, damp skin using circular motions. Leave on for up to 3 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week. So let's open the box. comes like this. Goopglow. That's a cute name. So when you open it, there's a protective seal on here. Oh, that smells nice. It smells like a creamy orange. I'm definitely gonna have to try these out and let you guys know how they are. Yeah, I love microderm stuff, and this is an exfoliator. Very nice. It feels nice and like heavy duty. I really like the jar. It's like a really nice plastic. It's like a heavy plastic. Okay, so that's what that is. Usually in Influenster boxes, they'll send you different types of products by different brands, but I guess this one is just like all one brand for Goopglow, which is kind of cool. And then the last product, it says Goopglow 5% glycolic plus fruit acid overnight glow peel light. It says our overnight glow peels are clinically proven pre-soaked glycolic acid peels that work while you sleep. Inspired by professional chemical peels, they're offered in 2 strengths, 15% full strength and 5% for sensitive skin. Do not use any other type of exfoliant for at least 24 hours before or after for up to a week, depending on your skin sensitivity. Interesting. Okay, so that's what this is. That's what the package looks like. And mine says, I guess I got the 5% one, even though I didn't put that my skin was sensitive. So yeah, it comes in like a package. It looks kind of like a mask. That's what it feels like in here. So it says use once a week at bedtime on clean, dry skin. Apply pre-soaked pad, evenly over face, neck, chest, and shoulders, where we typically have the most sun damage. Leave on overnight and rinse off in the morning. Apply moisturizer after 15 minutes if you like. Note, some tingling or itching may occur for up to 5 minutes after application. If you experience sensitivity, rinse with water and pat dry. Okay, interesting. So you leave it on overnight, but you can take it off in 15 minutes. I'm not quite clear of the directions. Interesting. Okay, so that's what this is. I can feel there's like a pad in here. So I guess you like wipe it in the places that it tells you. Cool. So I'm super excited to try these. I thought I would just hop on here and film a quick little YouTube video for you guys just so you can see. Please check out my other Influenster Voxbox videos. I think I did about 2, so you can feel free to watch those. Oh, just wanted to add, to see updates on if how I liked this stuff or whatever, and if things worked for me, please check me out on Instagram. I do a lot on Instagram. I'm very active. So my link is down below in my description box, and I also have it down here in the corner of every single one of my YouTube videos. So don't forget to check me out there. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it. You can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. And thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.